It's really so good, guys. Hi guys! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Today, I am so excited to open this package. Guys, alam niyo ba na this is my second time I've ordered FitGum Collagen Chia Coffee. Bakit? Look, it's so nice. Ang ganda ng packaging niya. Plus, ang sarapan niya. Nako, kailangan ko na kagad magtimpla ng isang tasa. Let's go! Guys, alam niyo ba na ang coffee na to merong chia seeds at meron pa siyang collagen. Alam niyo naman guys na habang tumatanda tayo, nababawasan ang collagen sa katawan natin. FitGum's Collagen Chia Coffee helps me boost my energy and reduce cravings for snacks. Combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise, it's the way I stay in shape and feel more confident every day in front of the camera. Guys, ang sarap niya. I feel refreshed instantly. I love it. At alam niyo ba ha, pagkatimpla ko pa lang, grabe, naamoy na talaga yung bango ng kape. I so love it. It's really so good, guys. It's not too sweet, just right for my taste. Alam niyo ba na itong coffee na to, no sugar added, no fat, plus is made of non-dairy cream. I love it. It keeps me refreshed and alert all day long and at the same time, helping me maintain a healthy body and figure. Kaya naman guys, subukan nyo na to. Highly recommended.